Today we will be talking about US and China, what stars have up their sleeves for them for 2022. I have been mentioning that the year 2022 is not very conducive for the global happenings and had written an article below. In this article, I shall analyze the foundation charts of China and US along with the Vedic progression charts by Manu Smriti, along with transit which may have a major impact on the worldly affairs. My predictions by Pisces new moon chart I have already made, from April 2021 to April 2022. So I mentioned that, and what all is happening is exactly being predicted. Now, the Pisces new moon chart of the 2021-22 is of Capricorn Lagna. The first house represents the country as a whole. Saturn as the Lagna lord and head of the country, which in this case is monarchy. Saturn forms Shasha Yoga in the Lagna is strong, a Panch Mahapurush Yoga. Unfortunately, Saturn is also the lord of the second house, is in Marka and afflicted by Rahu by Gemini. And if we take the aspect of Rahu as per Parashar also, suffering to Queen Elizabeth. The time frame is set for a difficult period. Prince Philip has died at the age of 99 just a few days ago. There is ongoing soap opera of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex and the rumors surrounding her son, Prince Andrew. One may speculate that the Queen, shortly to have her 95th birthday, may experience ill health herself this year. The saving is the Panch Mahapurush Yoga, Shasha Yoga and the Ascendant, and may get some relief as can be seen from the planetary positions. But read the below the combination for the global spread of virus along with UK especially. So UK, I've already, as per the Pisces new moon chart, I had specified that UK will be the worst hit. UK and US will be the worst hit. Now let us have a closer look at the foundation charts of the countries, what they have up their sleeves in the year 2022. China has a foundation chart of 1st October 1949, 15:15 hours, Peking, and it is of Capricorn Lagna. The Dasha running is Mercury, and the balance of Dasha at the foundation is 9 years, 11 months and 23 days. The present Dasha in operation is of Mercury from the 19th February 2021. It will enter the Dasha of Mercury Ketu. I have already predicted in my articles on China 4-5 months back that this Dasha will be most enigmatic until the 17th February 2023 for the reasons given below. Mercury is retrograde, combusted, and also eclipsed by Ketu in the 9th house in the sign Virgo. 9th house Ketu is not good, and especially in the sign of Mercury. It becomes, it gives defamation and ill luck. Ketu is Avyogi planet, and Mercury and Ketu placed in the 9th house of name and fame spoils the complete show. And Mercury is also the 6th lord, and it loses the 6th lordship because it is placed in the other sign. In the Panchamadri Chakra, Mercury and Ketu are strong enemies. Ketu is placed in the 5th house of Navamsha, having aspect of Mars, and in the 12th house of the Dashmansha, afflicting the moon and the Venus of their Rashi chart, who are the most important planets for Capricorn chart. As per the principles of astrology and Mr. Shri K.N. Rao, Mercury Ketu or Ketu Mercury Dasha is most venomous and enigmatic, especially when they are afflicted. Since both under affliction and both with 8th Lord Sun. 6th, Ketu is a star of Mars who is debilitated, and Mars in the star of Mercury who is afflicted. Ketu and Mercury are also related to virus and diseases. Hence, it cannot be ruled out that in the dasha, which can also take an ugly shape, results of the same as per the above parameters. The economy of the country may suffer, and parallel situations like Evergrande liquidity crisis 2022 may be parallel, like the bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers, which took place on the 15th September 2008. Bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers, this took place on the 15th September 2008. Similar results could be possible towards the middle of September and October 22 for the global economy taking a hit. Even for the global economy is not good. There may be trade restrictions by Europe and USA, which may add fuel to the fire. Also, the combinations are of insolvency, and the country may go, the other countries may go in ICJ, the International Court of Justice, for plunging the countries and the world in darkness due to coronavirus and economy break. This has caused the lives of so many people and damage to the economy of the countries. The planetary positions also indicate that some sensational findings for the role of China deliberately hiding the spread of the coronavirus from Wuhan lab. This may also be termed as conspiracy by China to disturb the economy of the globe. The year 2022 is indicative of troubles for Chinese companies and countries in general. All these predictions have been made by me well in advance on my webpage 4 or 5 months back, and I really feel I'm not happy. Some astrologers are also copying, but they are not able to give the right reasons for the same. They are not saying insolvency, but they are saying economy will suffer, but they are not able to explain it properly. Vedic progression chart. Vedic progression chart I have also considered. That is also not work. So it is bound to face troubles from February, and the conjunction of 5 planets and Mars in the Lagna and Venus, the 10th lord of the India Foundation chart, is suffering for 112 days from the 8th December to 27th February and 3rd March, because then it will be in planetary war with Mars. It is not good. But China will be most aggressive during this time. So one has to see. And then whenever, because it has a cardinal sign, so whenever Mars, Saturn, Sun, Rahu, Ketu will be in the cardinal signs in the square position of the horoscope, there will be trouble. So after 17th of March 2022, when Sun goes in Aries in April, and when Sun goes in Cancer in July, and when Sun goes in Capricorn in January, and so all the 4 signs, when Sun goes, it will also be influenced by Saturn, because Saturn will be in square position from Sun, and it will also aspect in some cases. So this time frame will be most venomous for China. Nutshell: Venus, the 12th lord and the Yog Karka for China Foundation chart, is in affliction and will overstay in this sign Capricorn and Sagittarius for 112 days. The most prone time for China will be suffering. Palatial buildings may be suffering. There may be earthquakes, and the palatial buildings may suffer from 31st of December to 3rd March 2022. And palatial buildings will suffer due to earthquakes around the 30th December to 27th February, and in a broader spectrum till 5th April 2022. I have given these specific dates. The time frame is also conducive for the country in daggers drawn with US, Taiwan, Europe and other, and especially with India. Economy going for a toss and similar happening like the Evergrande crisis and bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers is not ruled out. Now, foundation chart of US. It is of Leo Lagna as per Shri K.N. Rao, and the balance of Dasha is of Mars. It is presently in the Dasha operating is Rahu Jupiter, and Rahu is placed in the 12th house and Jupiter is placed in the 11th house of gains. But the dispositor of Jupiter is placed in the 12th house and dispositor of Rahu is placed in the 7th house. So 7th house, because dispositor of Rahu is placed in the 7th house, is not good. Moon, it is placed there, so it is not good. So any Antardasha or Patantar Dasha of Moon and Rahu will be most enigmatic for US. The dispositor I've mentioned, you see the 5 planets in the 6th house on the 27th of February, and Venus is the 10th lord, and 10th lord represents the president, and I've already mentioned that the president's health is not good and he may not be able to complete his full term, and especially 2022 will be most enigmatic for him, especially when Venus is overstaying in Capricorn and Sagittarius for 112 days, and it will be in most afflicted condition for 59 days from the 31st of December to 30th January, and then in February from 27th to 3rd or 6th of March. So whenever Venus will be afflicted, he will be influenced the most. And I've already mentioned that whenever the elections in US take place, when there is near about conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, then the president who is coming in power is not able to complete his full term. So the parameters for US are also not conducive. The moon sign of US and China are 212, although the Lord is Saturn, and Saturn will be most afflicted condition from the 12th July to 23rd October 2022. Mars, the Yog Karka for the country, will also be fallen from the sign Gemini to the 10th house, the Taurus sign, from the 14th 11/2022. These planetary positions are most enigmatic, and this time frame is most enigmatic for US and the head of the country, and especially when Venus is afflicted and when Saturn is afflicted, and Saturn in Capricorn in fallen condition is very bad for the head of the countries of the complete world. There is change. There is normally a change in the head of the countries, and especially when it goes in Dhanishta Nakshatra. So it will be most venomous. So Dhanishta Nakshatra will be 23 degrees, but 23 degrees and 20 minutes when Saturn crosses those degrees, then it will be most venomous. The Vedic progression chart is also not very conducive. So we can say that nutshell for US and with the time frames, a big earthquake in the US is between the 16th January to 5th April 2022 and around the 27th February 2022. The fact that the US has $29 trillion of debt, $2.5 trillion of the budget deficit, and also large trade deficits, all these will be affecting the United States, but around the 16th January to 27th February and then 5th April 2022. And then the later part from July to November will be most enigmatic. They are parallel, and then at that point will be a deeper crisis. Most prone for the economy taking a big hit, especially when the planets are in cardinal signs Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn, and the eclipses are also taking place in Aries and Libra. Most difficult time for the president of US when Venus is afflicted, as I've already mentioned, and from the 27th February to 3rd March and from 12th July to November 2022. Little relief from recession between May and July, but there will be lot of volatility throughout the 2022. The world may suffer on account of economy going for a toss and similar happening like Evergrande crisis and bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers in 2022 in the first 4 months, and then the last 4 months is not ruled out. My disclaimer clause is applicable. This is only astrological analysis, and on the basis of the earlier happenings as per the planetary positions, this can have an adverse effect on the stock and financial markets. The writer is not responsible for any person investing according to the above predictions. He shall be doing it of his own whims and fancies. The writer of the article is not at all responsible for any losses made by any company, corporate, or a limited company or a corporate company in this regard. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.